AI is getting crazier every day. There are a lot of software applications in the market right now, and I just came across this developer killer platform that lets you build a full stack app in just minutes. Now, I have been building various applications in past weekend, and I'm here to show you how you can build one too. Let's jump in. So the platform we are talking about is called Bolt.new. It has Claude, VO, and Cursor all combined in just one. So you need a detailed prompt in order to build a full stack application. Let's head to Gemini first. Here we can write, build me a Socratic method teaching web application for sorting algorithms. The app should understand and run the code. A series of questions should be asked at the end, and a visualization is a plus. Let's feed that to Gemini. Now you can copy this detailed prompt and head back to the Bolt.new and paste it there. Enter. Now let's see the magic. It's thinking on its own and it has started creating us an application in React. You can choose any tech stack you want, you just have to mention it in the prompt. It's also installing dependencies as well as the packages for our application. Isn't that amazing? These files are editable, you can make changes to them anytime you want, and you can even deploy your applications in the public. Okay, so our app is ready. Seems good. Select bubble sort. You can write the code here or just select the preset button for the code. Seems nice. Indentation is good. Just select run code. The visualization is happening dynamically as expected. Great work. Okay, so it shows us the alert pop-up instead of giving us the answers right underneath the dialog box. No worries, we can fix that. On the bottom left corner, you can see a prompt box. Here we can write, I'm not sure and let me explain buttons. Show an alert pop-up. How about we show them right underneath the dialog box? Hit enter. Okay, so it's updating our pre-existing code, scanning through all our files which needs to be changed, the components and the index file as well. Okay, so here we are ready. Let's select the bubble sort, preset code, run code. Visualization seems on point. Yep. Let's go to the questionnaire. And voila, we are done with the code. The changes we wanted are right here, without writing a single line of code. Not just that, it's also giving us a new question every time we hit let me explain button. Isn't that amazing? You can make any changes in the application. For example, this new UI I made for the app. It has a search bar for sorting algorithms. Rest every function is the same. And I also added this note-taking box for better understanding. Or how about the social media cropper tool? There you can just upload the image, select the crop you want according to your favorite social media and hit the download button, and an instant the photo is ready. Or how about this minimal habit tracker I made that tracks your all day-to-day activities? So the possibilities are endless. You just need to create an idea and generate a product without writing a single line of code. Hey, before you go, I've created a 0 to Hero series on Mastering Generative AI in just 30 days. It has theory plus hands-on labs. Don't forget to check that out. Bye.